What's up, guys? Got the iPhone 17 right here, and today I am breaking down all the essential gestures you gotta know. Whether you just upgraded or you're still figuring out iOS 26, these gestures are gonna make your iPhone feel way smoother. Let's dive in. 1. Home screen and navigation gestures. First up, the basics. Since there's no home button, everything's gesture-based. Swipe up from the bottom. Boom, takes you home. This is the gesture you'll use the most. No matter what app you're in, a quick swipe up brings you back to your main screen instantly. Swipe up and hold. That's your multitasking view, where you can switch or force close apps. Super useful if you've got too many apps running or if one freezes, you can quickly swipe it away. Swipe along the bottom edge. Quick app switch, super handy when you're bouncing between apps fast. It's like flipping channels on a TV. Just swipe left or right and jump straight back into your last app. 2. Control Center and notifications. So, next up, your quick settings and notifications. Swipe down from the top right corner, that's Control Center. Toggle Wi-Fi, adjust brightness, or even change your call audio settings from here. Think of it as your command hub. No need to dig into settings, just one swipe and you're in control. Swipe down from the top left corner. Notifications drop in. Perfect to catch up on missed calls, texts, or alerts without unlocking every app. Swipe halfway down the middle of the home screen. You'll pull up Spotlight Search instantly. Saves time, you can search for apps, contacts, or even web results without opening Safari. 3. Reachability and One-Hand mode. These screens are getting bigger every year. If you can't reach the top, swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen. Boom, reachability brings the whole screen lower. Perfect for one-handed use, especially on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. To enable reachability, head to Settings. Accessibility, touch. There you'll see the reachability toggle. If the switch is green, reachability is turned on. Tap it again to turn it off. Once it's enabled, you'll never have to stretch your thumb awkwardly again. 4. Text and editing gestures. Typing and editing on iPhone has its own tricks. Tap and hold the spacebar. Turns the keyboard into a trackpad so you can move the cursor anywhere. Way easier than trying to drag that tiny blue cursor dot. 5. Screenshots and quick actions. To take a screenshot, press the side button plus volume up together. You'll see the full screen preview. If you don't like the preview popping up, go to Settings. General Screen Capture and turn off the full screen preview toggle. Want to go next level? Set up back tap and accessibility. Double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to screenshot, lock the phone, or even launch apps. It feels futuristic, like hidden buttons on the back of your phone. To set it up, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap. Choose double or triple tap, then assign an action. For example, I set mine to scroll automatically. Just double tap, and the page moves down on its own. 6. Hidden gestures, pro tips. Alright, here are some hidden gems most people miss. Swipe left on the lock screen, jump straight into camera. Never miss a quick shot again, even if your phone is locked. Swipe right on the lock screen, see your widgets, weather, notes, or reminders. Everything is right there before you even unlock. In Safari, swipe from the very edge of the screen. Go back or forward a page without touching the buttons. Makes web browsing way smoother, especially one-handed. So yeah, those are the main iPhone 17 gestures you gotta master. Once you get the hang of it, you'll fly through your phone like a pro. Which gesture do you use the most? Drop it in the comments below. I want to see what you guys love. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more iPhone 17 tips,